Have you ever wished you had an extra set of eyes on the road? Or maybe you just want undeniable proof when the unexpected happens? Well, today we're talking about your new silent co-pilot, the Dash Cam 1296p front dash cam, the Veement V300 Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. This isn't just another gadget. It's your personal witness, your guardian of peace of mind, packed into a sleek, mini hidden design. Let's cut right to the chase. When it comes to dash cams, clarity is king, and the Veement V300 wears that crown proudly. Imagine capturing every single detail of your drive in stunning 1296p HD resolution. That's 2304 by 1296 pixels at a buttery smooth 30 frames per second. What does that mean for you? It means crystal clear footage that captures license plates, faces, and critical road signs with exceptional precision, day or night. In the unfortunate event of an incident, this level of detail isn't just helpful, it's invaluable. No more, he said, she said. The V300 provides the irrefutable evidence you need, protecting your insurance claims and your wallet. But what happens when the sun goes down? Many dash cams falter in low light, but not the Veement V300. This is where its superior night vision and expansive view truly shine. Equipped with a starlight level sensor, a wide f=1.7 large aperture, and a massive 170 degrees ultra-wide lens, this camera sees clearly even in the darkest conditions. The 6-layer glass lens technology isn't just a fancy spec. It actively enhances your night driving security, ensuring that shadowy figures or dimly lit obstacles don't go unnoticed. Whether you're navigating unlit country roads or parking in a poorly lit lot, the V300 ensures comprehensive coverage, giving you an unparalleled sense of security around the clock. Now, let's talk about convenience and control, because the V300 makes managing your footage incredibly easy. Thanks to its seamless connectivity and easy operation, you get built-in Wi-Fi and the exclusive VCar app right on your smartphone. Forget fumbling with tiny screens or removing SD cards. With the app, you can effortlessly preview real-time video, download important clips directly to your phone, edit them, and even share them with authorities or social media with just a few taps. This intuitive interface puts you in complete control, allowing you to quickly access and manage your driving footage whenever and wherever you need it most. Imagine capturing a breathtaking sunset or an unexpected roadside event and being able to share it instantly. Beyond these core features, the V300 offers advanced features for complete protection that truly round out the package. With cutting-edge TS Stream technology for fast and reliable video storage, support for up to a massive 256 GB SD card, seamless loop recording that never stops, and a robust 24/7 parking mode, your vehicle is under constant surveillance. This means continuous recording without manual intervention and protection even when your car is parked and you're away. It's comprehensive security that gives you total peace of mind. So, if you're looking for a dash cam that delivers unmatched clarity, superior night vision, effortless control, and all-around protection in a discreet package, the Veement V300 Wi-Fi dash camera is the one for you. Don't leave your safety and peace of mind to chance. Invest in the V300 and drive with confidence, knowing you're always protected. Find the link in the description below to get yours today. You deserve to feel safe on every journey.